Hello fellow independent musicians, Harvey here. Welcome back to the channel, where it's day 2 of the Improve Your Merch Store series, where I offer my advice on how to make your passion profitable with Mercher. Now today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone running a merchandise business on Mercher: choosing the right products. Whether you're just starting or looking to refresh your products, these 5 tips and tricks will guide you in selecting products that resonate with your audience and boost your sales. So let's jump right in. First up, know your audience. Understanding your audience's demographics is key. For me, most of my fans are young students in Manchester. This means I'll have to bear in mind that students don't have a lot of money to spend on merch, so I'll probably focus on adding more affordable products to my store. A great way to get to know your audience is by engaging with them on social media. For example, use polls on Instagram to let your fans vote on which products they want to see added to the store. When they are involved in the product selection, they're more likely to buy something. Now, on to our second tip. Experimenting with limited edition products can add excitement to your store. Limited time runs create a sense of urgency, and people love to grab exclusive items. Releasing merchandise tied to a significant event will heighten anticipation and drive increased sales, whether it's a fresh design for an upcoming gig or the launch of a new single. Seasonal products are also great for boosting sales. Think Halloween or Christmas designs. You can even find talented designers on Fiverr to bring your ideas to life. For a winter exclusive drop, you can put those designs on cozy scarves or beanies. Moving on to tip number 3. Profit margins matter. Having a variety of items in your store, including some budget-friendly options, is important. And remember, not every item needs to have the same profit margin. Backpacks, for instance, can be great for boosting your profits, as they have a low cost and customers will be willing to spend a lot of money on a backpack. Whereas you may want to consider taking less profit from high cost items. Now let's talk about testing products. Don't be afraid to experiment. Release a variety of items and analyze what works with your audience. Pay attention to sales, reviews, and feedback. This data is gold. Apply what you learn to the next products that you add to your store. It's all about refining your offerings based on what your fans love. And now for our final tip. Stay in the loop with trends. Check out what other bands similar to yours are doing with their merch. Dive into Instagram comments for valuable feedback on designs and products. Staying current ensures your merchandise remains relevant and desirable. So there you have it, 5 tips and tricks for choosing the right products for your Mercher store. So remember to know your audience, experiment with limited edition products, consider profit margins, test different items, and stay updated on trends. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more merchandising insights.